Pagyagapon niya kay kabalujud kong dili kaganahan.
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday!
Dear Ate, una sa tanan ug dili sa ulahi, happy birthday! Kabalo kong dili kaganahan og mga inaani pero tuguti ko nga in this simple way, I can show you how we are thankful to have ate like you. Salamat ate sa walang sawang suporta sa ako ug sa atong pamilya. Salamat kay naa ka andang magpautang sa ako Salamat kay ikaw ang amuang na ate. Usa ka sa pinakanindot nga gihatag sa Ginoo sa among kinabuhi. Kaya, we wish you all the best in life, ate, because we know that you deserve it. We hope and pray for your good health, long and successful life, together with your family.
Years just count away.
We love you so much, ate. Naarami kanunay para mangutang nimo. Charot. Naarami kanunay para nimo kung unsa man ang mga problema sa imong kinabuhi. Again, we love you so much and happy birthday. God bless, ate. P.S. Tagdag hapon miha kay kabalo jud kong dili kaganahan ikar surprise.
All the fun we've had, you're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true.
And this surprise is from Sis, Charlene, and Charina. Happy birthday!
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to blue. Make tears impossible. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will try to fix it. You should change your name to I don't think you minded if I change your name to something new. Would you think it childish if I change my name to I love you.